On January 31, BMW Brilliance's new car, the 2024 BMW i3, was launched. The new car continues to offer two configuration models with a price of 405,000 to 445,000 yuan. As a model with an annual facelift, the new car has different features such as model number, configuration, price, design, etc. Aspects have not changed. It was mostly replaced by ZF electric drive technology, Shenyang Co.Ltd. Received electric motors supplied by. In terms of power system, the new car is equipped with a rear single-motor, domestic ZF drive motor, with a maximum power of 210 kW and a pure electric cruising range of 530 km and 540 km under CLTC conditions. In terms of appearance design, the new car continues to use the double-kidney, blacked-out grille trim on the front and also provides adaptive matrix front LED headlights. In addition, there are blackened decorative parts on the left and right sides of the front spoiler and a blackened decorative part plus air inlet in the middle of the front lip to increase the dynamic atmosphere of the front face. As for the body sides, the new car continues to use the upper and lower double waist design on the side and also offers 19-inch 245/50 R19 and 20-inch 245/45 R20 wheels. In addition, there is a slow charging interface on the left front fender and a fast charging interface on the right rear fender. The body size of the new car is 4,746 by 1,891 by 1,683 mm. The wheelbase is 2,864 mm and it is positioned as a fully electric midsize SUV. The new car continues to use left and right independent tail light groups at the rear of the car, and spoilers plus high-mounted brake lights are added on the rear window. In addition, the lower part of the rear casing is equipped with a large area darkened main driver plus diffuser device to enhance the sporty atmosphere behind the car. In terms of interior design, the center console area of the new car is equipped with a 3-spoke steering wheel, 12.3-inch LCD display and 12.3-inch floating central control screen. In addition, the new car continues to use the push-pull electronic gear shifting mechanism and various physical function buttons are integrated under the central control screen. In terms of configuration, the new car comes standard with the iDrive Smart Vehicle System, Active Safety Warning System, front and rear parking radar, L2 assisted driving, supports automatic changes, full-speed adaptive cruise control, electric tailgate, 11-color ambient lighting. Interior/exterior rearview mirrors are equipped with automatic anti-dazzle and 3-zone automatic air conditioning. In addition, the high-end model also supports 360-degree panoramic viewing, automatic parking, keyless entry, HUD head-up display, built-in driving recorder, wireless mobile phone charging, 16-channel Harman Kardon audio and other configurations. As for the seats, the vehicle adopts a 5-seat layout and the seats are covered with Sensitech synthetic leather material. In terms of seat functionality, the new car comes standard with electric adjustment of the front seats and master driver's seat memory, and the Shenyang model also supports heated front seats. In terms of power system, the 2024 BMW i3 is powered by ZF electric drive technology, Shenyang Co.Ltd. It was replaced by a single rear motor with a maximum power of 210 kW, 286 PS and a maximum torque of 400 Nm supplied by, and accelerates from 0 to 100 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds, with a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. In terms of battery life, the new car is equipped with an 80 kWh triple lithium battery pack supplied by CATL. The pure electric cruising range under CLTC operating conditions is 530 km and 540 km.